Many of you are in a relationship. You're in a relationship with your spouse, your parents, your roommate, your boss, whoever. And when you're in a relationship, you're constantly making decisions together. I know my wife Leslie and I were constantly trying to figure out what we're going to have for dinner, where we're going to go on vacation, what movie do we want to watch tonight on Netflix, just the basics of moving through life. And if you're like Leslie and I, sometimes you struggle to make these small, seemingly tiny decisions. So what do? Well, here's a tool that works for us. It's called the Duck Scale. It's a tool to help give your opinion a velocity, so you know how important it is to each other. So picture a child, small child, getting super excited and like flapping like a duck, like so enthusiastic about something. That's a 10 out of 10 on the Duck Scale. And picture somebody who just doesn't care. They're like, yeah, I don't care, romantic comedy or drama, whatever, horror movie. They're like a 0. They don't care about what movie they watch, they just want to like sit in a chair. That's all they care about. Well, you say to your partner, oh, what do you feel like for dinner tonight, honey? I feel like Thai food. What about you? I feel like spaghetti and meatballs. Where is it on your Duck Scale? For me, I'll say it's like a 2. I don't really care what to eat, but if you want to ask me, I'll pick Thai. What about you? It's a 9. I've been craving my grandmother's homemade meatballs for weeks. I got the recipe out, finally picked up some new tomato sauce. Like, can we please have spaghetti and meatballs? And I'll say, sure, it's a 9 for you. It's super important. You just clarified how important this decision is. When you have decisions to make together, you often have different opinions. But if you give your opinions a velocity or a measure, an open and transparent way to measure how important they are to each other, it helps you expedite those decisions and make things a little quicker and easier.